Right guys, hope you're doing well. In this short little video I'm going to show you how to put one of these up, which is just like a number plate, you know, for your house. I'm going to replace this old one, take it off and put this nice new posh one on. So I'll show you how you do that. Hope you enjoy. So we've got a bit, we've got a nice little drill bit there. It's 5mm drill bit, some plugs, some screws, all the bits of the kit which come with the number plate. We've got our drill, because we're going to need that. Firstly we'll take off the old number 3. It's an old flathead screwdriver, so we'll have to make do with that. Are they going to come out? Yes they are. Next we'll mark our drill marks. So we'll mark this side. Just eye it in on the brick, which is central. Put on hammer. So we need to mark our second hole there, and you can use it, you can put a level on the top or draw a line from there with your level, but I'm going to eye it in. So it plugs in nice and level. So next up we need to unscrew that, dismember this. This is like the separator. So what we're going to do now is put a screw through here, through there and into the wall. Oh. Through there and into the wall. Just nip it up. There now. Again, I would put the screw through here to give yourself a head start. Find your plug. And nip it up. Then all we're going to do is take the protective layer off here. And it's just a case of screwing that in now. Some little washers on there as well, make sure you keep those on, the rubber washers. And just tighten it with your finger, that's pretty much it. And there you have it guys, that's a nice new posh number plate. So that's how you do that. Pretty simple, straightforward, take your time. And yeah, replay the video as many times as you need to. Thanks very much for watching, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like rating and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you in the next one guys, cheers.